Imagine waking up and realizing your job just got replaced by a line of code. Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence isn't coming for jobs, it's already here. In today's video, we'll reveal 5 AI tools that are replacing real-world jobs, starting now. 1. ChatGPT. This AI has already replaced thousands of freelance writers, support agents, and even junior developers. It can write emails, legal templates, website code, business plans, and it's just getting smarter. If you're in marketing, customer support, or entry-level tech, this tool isn't just helping, it's competing. 2. Midjourney. Graphic designers, beware. Midjourney can create hyper-realistic images from simple prompts. In seconds. Companies are now using it instead of hiring designers for concept art, ads, and social media graphics. 3. Synthesia. Synthesia is revolutionizing video production. Instead of hiring actors or editors, companies are generating full corporate videos with AI avatars and voices in minutes. Training videos, ads, even YouTube intros. This tool is quietly replacing media professionals. 4. Descript editors. You're not safe either. Descript lets you edit video like a Word document. Cut out words, filler, background noise, all